So I'm being corrected. Apparently, I probably was saying the National Youth Chorale. This lady beside me, her name is Claro, by the way, officially. And she said it's the Jamaica Youth Chorale. Good morning, Jamaica Youth Chorale.
Good morning.
Aye, I like it. I like it. I will ask you to do something else. You have an event, Christmas Joy, exceptional Christmas music, and it's on December 14, which is on Saturday.
Yes, on Saturday we open the season.
And the season is how long?
3 days. The 14th, the 15th, and the 19th.
Which my football season did so long. 3 days. Tell me about it. Tell me what we can expect and stuff.
You can expect amazing young people giving you delicious Christmas music, wonderful arrangements by Jamaican composers, by composers in the choir, Cedron, David right here, our director, and other Jamaican composers. And it's $2,000 for adults, $1,500 for students, and you can call 581-4364 for more information.
Remember, good. You said choir. Why didn't you say chorale?
We're the Jamaica Youth Chorale.
But you're a choir?
But we are a choir.
Okay. And I meant that seriously because I've always found it interesting.
Jamaica Youth Choir don't sound as,
Yeah. Is this everyone?
No, the juniors are not here. These are the
juniors.
intermediate and senior members.
You a senior?
I'm an elder.
I beg your pardon. So you guys still having fun doing this?
Yes, always. That's why we keep doing it.
I was watching earlier, and you have a great director, obviously. But I was watching, and I actually said it on here that you guys do one song, but in that one song, everybody's singing something different. That's not difficult to do. That's not confusing enough.
No, I think it's a skill that you learn while being in a choir, to be focused, to hear all that is going on, but still keep on your path. And I think it's an important life lesson for us.
All right. Tell me again when, where, and how much, what time.
So it is December 14, that is Saturday at 7 o'clock.
Yeah.
8 o'clock, thank you. December 15 at 4 o'clock. December 19th, which is the Thursday, at 7 o'clock.
Yep.
And that is at the Philip Sherlock Center at the University of the West Indies, Mona.
I don't know why them ask her to do it now, because everybody had tell her that December 15 everybody go. They said December 17 and them go. By the way, her name is Sharona Forrester, Rhodes Scholar. I'm a very, very good friend. I usually interview everybody, but I can't. So here what I'm going to do. I want everybody after she, just tell me your name. Just everybody after she, one time. 1, 2, 3. Yes, man. We don't know if we hear nobody at a while ago. Here is the Jamaica Youth Chorale.
Christmas a come and me want me brata. Just want me brata this year. Christmas a come, me want me brata. 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 Let the shoes on me foot, me want me brata. Let the shoes on me foot, me want me brata. Let me the shoes, me want me brata. Christmas a come, me want me brata. What a plan for me is me want me brata. What a plan for me is me want me brata. Say a plan for me is me want me brata. Christmas a come, me want me brata. Sing, woy, woy. See your money now me bang this Christmas time. When me bang and school and the music is nice. No money, boy, a calamity. Hear me now, me brother, the Christmas time. Me brother, me brother, Christmas time. Me brata, brata, yes me 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 brata, Christmas me brata, see me brata. and Mr. Him.